Very good morning, my dear students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Students, we are dealing with the exercise 6.3 of the chapter triangles, which is based on the criteria for judging the similarity of two triangles. Almost many of the questions we have done in this particular exercise. In this session, two more questions we are going to solve and we are going to wind up the exercise 6.3 today. Is that clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, without delaying, let me begin with question number 14. Beta Anusha, read the 14th one.
Yes, sir. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR.
Okay. Let me draw a rough diagram. All of you mark the star mark for this. Very important, beta. Okay. One triangle
Yes, sir.
ABC, the other triangle PQR. Students, very important from the point of examination. And this is totally different question in this exercise. The reason, only in this one you are going to have the constructions. Rest all questions, beta, whatever we have solved, there was no single construction. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be the concept? They are telling us to take two triangles. One is ABC, the other one is PQR. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In this, they said the side AB is proportional to PQ, side AC is proportional to PR. One more concept they have given. What is that, beta? Quick.
Triangle ABC is
AB
similar
and
to triangle PQR.
Beta, look at the question there. We have to prove ABC and PQR are similar. Look at the concept. What they have given.
ACR median.
They said the median AD and the median PM are proportional. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Beta, this question compare with the 12th one. In 12th one, what they said, AB proportional to PQ, then BC proportional to QR, and then AD proportional to PM. This is what they have done in the question number 12. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look at the question number 14, which I am solving today. Here, AB by PQ, they retained as it is, no change. This one same. But this one, they have not taken the base. They are not telling BC by QR. What they are telling, beta?
AC by
AC
PR,
by
sir.
PR.
AC by PR. So there is a change in this. This remains the same. There is no change. So you can understand the question number 14, how it is changed from the question number 12. In the 12, this base, and then the medians. But in the 14th, this with this and this with this and this, then the medians. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So obviously, here the difficulty level will be increased. The reason BC and QR are not there. If BC and QR were there, we could have made 2 BD, 2 QM, somewhat. The arrangement we could have done to arrive at the results. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, let us see. This is what they have given. Using this data, I have to prove both are similar. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do, this particular question, I will prove it as a particular theorem. We'll use the steps of a theorem to prove this result. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Data
Yes, sir.
in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I'll write the thing, what they give. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PR. This is what they gave, nothing else. Okay, what is to prove beta? What I have to prove here?
Triangle ABC is similar
Triangle
to triangle
ABC is similar
PQR.
to triangle PQR.
But these two bigger triangles, ABC and then the triangle PQR are similar. This is what I have to prove. For this, I require the construction. Students, pay your attention. Construction is little bit complicated. What is that? Observe beta. First, I'll talk about this triangle. What is the median, students?
AD,
AD,
sir.
sir.
This median AD will be extended, will be produced up to a point up to a point E beta. But the condition, whatever you are going to do the extension beta, production of the line, this extension should be equal to the length of the AD. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
So the first step, produce AD or extend AD up to a point E such that the length of AD is same as length of D. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First I'll write that one. Still the construction is there. First I'll write the first part. Produce AD up to point E. E so that AD is equal to D. AD is equal to D. Full point. Afterwards, beta, this E you have to join with B. As well as with as well as with C. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Join
sir.
C. I repeat, I took the median AD, extended up to a point E such that this length AD is equal to this length DE. Afterwards, I joined B with E, I joined C with E. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me make it properly, beta. This is the diagram. Now, what I have done in the first triangle ABC, the same thing has to be done in the PQ. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
anybody tell me what will be the sentence? What I have to do? Quick, same procedure.
Produce PM
Produce
up to
PM
point
to H.
PM.
Yeah, we
PM
have to
is equal
produce up to a certain point n beta. The condition should be whatever production you will do, extension mn should be equal to pm. Am I correct, beta?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
then you have to join with q as well as with r. Am I right?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll write the same thing. Also produce pm up to point n so that
PM is
pm
equal to
is
MN.
equal to
Is equal to
m
MN.
full point join. What we have to join, beta?
QN and
Q
RNs.
UN and RN.
R. Okay, students, copy till here. I'll proceed further. Quick. Write it fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. The only new thing is construction, producing this one up to E so that the lengths are equal, producing this one up to N so that the lengths are equal, then join this endpoint with C also, with B also, this endpoint with R also, Q also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will proceed with proof, how we are going to arrive at our results. Let us see. Okay, beta, let us begin with proof. Beta, observe, there were two triangles, they have converted into two quadrilaterals. Am I right, beta? One is
Yes.
ABC, one quadrilateral. The other one PQNR, other quadrilateral. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see it properly, observe it properly, both are looking like the parallelogram. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. They are looking like a parallelogram, not only looking like, exactly they are the parallelogram because of the construction work which we have done. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we have to prove it, how it is a parallelogram and how it is a parallelogram. So the first work of the proof section is proving both the quadrilateral as parallelograms. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In quadrilateral ABC. In this one, beta, first I'll write AD is equal to DE. What is the reason?
Construction, sir.
Construction, sir.
We have made the construction. But also, I can write BD is equal to DC. Can anybody tell why BD will be equal to DC, beta?
Because AD is a median, sir.
Yeah. BD is equal to DC. AD is a median. It means D is the midpoint. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now, look at the concept in the different manner. Property of a parallelogram. But this AE is one diagonal, BC is the other diagonal. Diagonals are bisecting each other. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Diagonals are bisecting each other. It happens only in the parallelogram. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. This implies ABEC is a parallelogram. In the bracket reason, I'll write diagonals bisects each other. And but in exam, no need of writing this sentence. For your understanding at the time of revision, I'm writing. I used the property of the diagonals which are bisecting each other to judge it as a parallelogram. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But once it is a parallelogram, I can say the opposite sides are equal. So I can write AC is equal to BE and I can write AB is equal to CE. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This implies AC is equal to BE and AB is equal to CE. The reason, opposite sides of parallelogram. Am I right, students?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
out
sir.
of two, only one set we will take into the consideration. You can take AB with CE or else you can take AC with BE. Let me go for AC and BE. Clear, better?
Yes,
Let
Yes,
sir.
sir.
AC equal to BE, we will call it as equation number 1. Students, copy till here, quick. Do fast.
Done, sir.
Yeah.
Done,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Written beta. So what I have done, I concentrated on the quadrilateral. Looking at the bisecting of the diagonals, we arrived it is a parallelogram. Then I wrote the opposite sides are equal. Out of two, I have taken one set AC with BE. Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the same manner, in the same manner. Beta, what I have done here, I can do here also. I'll tell the steps orally. Here we'll write the result directly, beta. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Look at it. Yeah, beta. Any questions?
sir, in exam also we can write directly, sir.
Yeah, beta. You can write it down directly in the exam. This is according to the CBSE pattern. There is no need of repeating the steps again. Okay, beta? What I'm going to tell. See, quadrilateral PQNR. In this quadrilateral, PM is equal to MN. PM is equal to MN construction. QM is equal to MR. Because PM is a median. Correct, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Diagonals are bisecting each other, so it becomes a parallelogram. You will write P, P, Q, and R in this place is a parallelogram. The reason you will be quoting the same. Once it is parallelogram, you can write opposite sides are equal. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
in manner, P, Q, and R is also a parallelogram. This implies PR is equal to QN and PQ is equal to N.
NR.
Opposite sides of parallel. Better copy fast, quick. Write this much.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
But now comes the important thing. Again, there are two set available. We have to consider any one. But the condition beta, if you are taking in this direction, AC with B, you have to continue with the same direction. PR with QN. In the earlier one, if you have taken AB with CE, you have to take PQ and NR. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have chosen AC with B means in the same direction. PR with QN. I have to take this one. Let PR is equal to QN, equation number 2. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First stage of our proof is proving AC same as B, PR same as QN. That is our intention. Got the concept?
Yes,
Now
sir.
question comes, why we are doing it? We will understand in the next procedure. Okay, beta? Now I will go to the data. From the question beta, they said AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me write it. AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. The reason given, nothing but the data. We have written it in the data. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AB by PQ, right as it is. But look at the first equation. According to first equation, what is AC equal to?
B.
B, sir.
B. And from the equation 2 beta, what is PR equal to?
QN.
QN, sir.
This AD and PM will be retained same. Here I'll write the reason using equations 1 and 2. Using equations 1 and 2. What I have done? Replaced AC by B, replaced PR by QN. Got the concept?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the diagram. We are heading towards somewhat different ocean. What is that? AB and BE we got in the numerator with PQ and QN in the denominator. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now if I get AE and PN, in the place of this and this, if I get AE and PN, I can straight away say ABE is similar to PQN. Are you getting the concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So again, I'll be deviating myself from AD by PM to AE by PN. Now question comes, sir, how it will be proved? But this is what we have done the construction. Look at the concept, what I'm going to do. I'll keep this one same. But observe the diagram carefully. This AD, I'll multiply by 2 beta. PM also I'll multiply by 2. In mathematics, we have the freedom. The same number can be multiplied to the numerator also, denominator also, so that if you cancel both, originality remains same. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what about in simple words? Multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 in the third ratio. Got the concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But it is not going to affect the earlier ratios because both are going to get cancelled. Originality remains the same. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So I made some
Yes, sir.
arrangements. Afterward, now observe beta. 2AD is nothing but AD plus AD. Actually, 2AD I can write it as apple plus apple.
AE.
Yes. Now 1AD I'll retain as it is. We know AD is same as DE. So I'll replace it. Now beta. AD plus DE. What is in the diagram?
AE, sir.
AE, sir.
So in simple words, this 2AD can be removed out. What can be written?
AE, sir.
AE, sir.
The same thing you have to observe here. 2 p.m.
P.
2 p.m. can be written as PM plus PM. Now 1 p.m. written
Yes,
as
sir.
it is. The other PM replaced with MN.
PM.
Because of our construction, this part is equal to this part. Then finally, if you add both beta, what you are going to get?
PM, sir.
PM, sir.
You understood better what I have done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now this implies the three sides ABBAE, ABBAE of this triangle are proportional to PQ, QN, PN. PQ, QN, PN of this triangle. Hence they are similar. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Triangle ABE similar to the triangle PQN. Which rule?
SSS.
Yes, 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 sir.
Sir.
Be fast, quick. And this, no need of writing in the exam. This is for your understanding. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down beta, fast. This question is very lengthy, beta. Suitable for 5 marks. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Look at the concept. This implies. But since both are similar, I can use the definition of the similarity of triangles. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding angle should be equal according to the definition. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So by definition, I'm going to write one angle. There are three angles. This angle with this B with this Q, this E with this N. Out of three, I'm going to target the vertical one because it is a part of ABC. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So let me write BAE angle BAE is equal to angle QPN. QPN. Call it as equation number 3. Copy fast. BAE is equal to QPN, equation number 3. The reason, by definition, I'm using the definition of similar triangles. Copy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now, whatever I have done, the work in one side. In the similar manner, one side in the sense, beta, I have taken AC and BE. Am I right? Out of two sets, if you remember there was one more set available, AB and CE, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
AB and CE together. Here also we have left one set, that is PQ and NR, or else RM. One more set. And if we proceed in the same manner, we will arrive at the result triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeat. This ACE is similar to this PNR by the same procedure. Okay. When they are similar, I can write this angle CAE is same as RPM. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
But the procedure is very lengthy. Because of this reason, we will not show that particular step. We will arrive at the result directly in the same manner. Understanding better?
Yes, sir.
In the same manner, we can prove that angle CAE is equal to angle RPN. Call it as equation number 4. Got the concept, beta? What I have done, whatever the procedure I have used, AC, BE, PR, QN, it has given this particular equation. If you use AB with CE and PQ with NR, that will give you this angle same as this angle. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, beta, the complication is not ended. You will get one more headache now. Adding equations 3 and 4. Students, can anybody tell what is the reason to add 3 and 4? Yeah,
To get whole angle, sir.
a whole angle which belongs to the triangle ABC, whole angle which belongs to the triangle PQR. Somewhere now we can take a deep breath. We are at the ending point. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us see. BAE plus CAE equal to QPN plus
Plus,
RPN. Yeah, LHS with LHS, RHS with RHS. Now look at the diagram. When you add both, beta, which angle you are going to get? This angle plus this
Angle
angle, which will
BAC.
angle BAC equal to, here beta, which angle you'll get?
Angle QPR.
you
It has equation number 5. Copy quick. Now, there is only one step, beta. Don't worry, we are going to end this answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
So, beta, let us discuss what we have done. The first phase of the proof showing these two are equal. These two are equal. Similarly, these two are equal and these two are equal. Once we have done it, showing the triangle ABE is similar to PQN. Using this, arriving at equation number 3, BAE angle is same as QPN angle. That is 1. And the same manner, we can do it. ACE is similar to the triangle PRN, and we can arrive at the result. This angle CAE is same as this angle RPN. Equation number 4. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
3 and 4 are ready, beta. You have to add them to get the equation 5th. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, final conclusion, beta. Bahubali part 2 now. This is all part 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Look at both the triangles. Okay. I will use the data.
Yes.
They have given 3 ratios. I'll use only 2 ratios. AB with PQ is same as AC with PR. They have given there. They also said AD and PM. I'm not going to take the third ratio. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in triangle this and this is one thing I can observe, and I can observe BAC is same as QPR. Is same as QPR. Here the reason is proved. Equation number 5. Proved. Equation number 5. Here the reason is data. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what will be our decision because of this and because of this?
Triangle
Sir,
ABC is
triangle
similar to
ABC is
triangle
similar to triangle PQR.
by SAS rule.
Yeah, what is the basis? SAS rule is the base. So look at the concept beta. AB and AC. AB and AC are proportional to PQ and PR. Included angle A is equal to the included angle P. Hence, this and this are similar. Zindabad. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Beta, very horrible question. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Copy fast. Okay, done beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to remember this one beta? Look at this. Our intention was ABC and PQR, but we have diverted completely. Leaving ABC and PQR, first I talked about ABE similar to PQN, then I talked about ACE similar to PRN, and then I arrived at the main similarity. Correct beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, you can remember Columbus. He went in search of India and he reached somewhere West Indies. Am I right beta?
Yes, sir.
He is Columbus only, na?
Yes, sir.
We are doing the same work beta. We want AB similar to PQR, which is India, but we are doing the work like a Columbus, going to this similar to this similar to this, and then using the result of those two to get the answer. Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in this question beta?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Students, today practice it, you will understand the things much better. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, one small question, question number 15. I'll finish it off, then we will wind the session. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Akshata, read 15th one, quick.
Yes, sir. 15th one. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower.
Okay, beta, let us see what is the importance of this question. Beta, make a star mark for this also. It can be used in 2 mark section. Such question can be used in the 2 mark section as well as in 1 mark multiple choice questions. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So let us see what will be the procedure. Beta, they are talking about two objects. Which are the two objects?
Tower,
Vertical
pole and shadows.
One is vertical pole. I call it as EB. What is the height of the vertical pole beta given?
6 meters, sir.
6 meters, sir.
Fine. They said it's a shadow. What is the shadow beta?
4 meters.
4 meter long.
The length of the shadow. I'll take shadow as AC, which is 4 meter. So this is the first part beta. Vertical pole, its height, and it's the shadow. Which is the other object?
Tower, sir.
Tower, sir.
Tower. Beta, tower will be uh, taller than pole, or pole will be taller than the tower.
Tower will be taller than pole,
Tower
sir.
will be tall.
If you want the confirmation, go outside, see the electric pole, electric wire pole, and see your Jio
Tower.
Dhirubhai Ambani's tower. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You will understand the difference. Okay, let me take this one as PQ. The height of the tower. I think we have to find this one only. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The question mark. They said, what is the shadow of this one?
28 meters, sir.
28 meters.
28. Take shadow as 28 meters. So, beta, this is what they have given the concept. This is 6, this is 4, this is question mark, this is 28. Beta, we are doing the work with the triangles. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any triangle at present?
No,
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 sir.
sir.
So, what has to be done?
construction.
Yeah, we need to join B with C to get one triangle. We need to join Q with R to get the other triangle. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
One more thing to be noted, both are right angles. Sir, they have not given in the question, correct?
Yes, sir.
Beta, it is a general thing. Whenever we discuss, if you remember, beta, some applications of trigonometry I have done. The vertical pole and the tower, we have to take as if they are straight, perpendicular to the surface of the earth. Then only we can proceed further with the answers. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I hope you understood the concept. Let me write the thing what I have done because rough diagram is not given. Let us write. Let AB and PQ be the height of vertical pole and tower respectively. Respectively. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, AB value is a 6 meter and PQ value is question mark, which we have to find. Let I'll talk about AC and PR. Students, what are AC and PR, beta?
Shadows.
Shadows of pole and tower respectively.
Now, be the shadows of pole and the tower respectively. Therefore, what is AC value, beta?
4 meters, sir.
And what is PR value?
28 meters.
Yeah, this is what they gave. This is what they gave. Now, let us join BC and
And
QR to get triangle ABC and triangle
triangle
PQ.
PQR.
Students, copy fast. Write it down. Written?
Written, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
anybody tell me the next step? What we have to do after doing all this drama? Quick. Any idea?
Sir, in triangle BAC, we have to find BC, sir.
Okay, we have
We
to
have
find
to prove
BC.
they are similar, sir.
Beta, here, don't go for the Pythagoras theorem. Still, we have not come with that particular concept. Here, we have to go for similarity of triangles. Two triangles are available. One is Chotu, the other one is Motu. Shape is somewhat same, exactly same, not somewhat. So we can say that they are similar using the logical steps. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A rule here. Which one?
A.
Let us do it. A triangle ABC and a triangle PQR. Yeah, one. I can write this is equal to this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angle A is
Equal to QPR. QPR is equal to 90 degree. What is the reason, beta? What is the reason? We have to take it as data given the reason vertical pole and tower. We have to assume they are perpendicular to the surface of the earth. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now comes the trick. Beta, look at the concept. Is it possible for us to tell this angle is equal to this angle? Is there any evidence, beta, that is angle B is equal to angle Q? We can tell it. Is there any evidences of geometry, beta, so that we can say these two are equal? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, there is no data available. Okay, beta. At least, is it possible to tell this angle is equal to this angle? Is it possible?
No.
Angle of elevation, sir.
Yeah, beta.
Ah,
Someone said. Can you explain it, beta?
Angle of elevation, sir. Angle of elevation.
Students, at present, if we see, there is no geometrical data available. We cannot say this angle is equal to this angle, but they are equal angles. Sir, what is this? You are telling geometrically there is no data available to tell that these two are equal, but they are equal. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the concept? Let us discuss in detail. But here we are going to involve the physics. What we are going to involve?
Physics.
Physics.
The inclination of sun rays with the surface of the earth at the same time. I repeat, inclination of sun rays with the surface of the earth at the same time. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? Somewhat, all of you observe here. If somewhat the sun is here, and there are two objects, beta, one Chotu, nearby only, one Motu. There are two objects. The rays are going to fall, sun rays are going to fall everywhere. Okay, through this Chotu object, the sun ray will come to the earth surface. Through this Motu object also, sun ray will come to the earth surface. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Same time, it means at the same allotted time or period duration, the angles made at the surface of the earth will be always equal. This is what the physics concept. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
One condition, the object should be somewhat nearby. There will be no much distance. One in India, one in America, not going to work. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
One in Belgaum, one in Hubli can work. One in Karnataka, one in Maharashtra also can work. But from India to America, it is not going to work. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Our one more assumption, the basic assumption, these are perpendicular. The second assumption, that the objects are somewhat nearby. Clear, beta? So,
Yes,
we will
sir.
write
Yes, sir.
the reason, angles of elevation. Angles of elevation. This is angle of elevation. According to the physics concept, sun rays are going to make the same angle with the earth surface. Sun rays are going to make the same angle with the earth surface. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. What I can write? Angle ABC similar to the triangle
Two triangles,
PQ
Gemma.
A root. Two angles are equal to two angles. The third angle will be automatically equal. They are similar. Once they are similar, let us write the corresponding parts as proportional. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even you can write BC by QR, which is not required. BC by
QR.
AB. What is the AB value, beta?
6, sir.
I
Six,
don't
sir.
know. AC value. What is AC?
4, sir. 4 by
4.
28.
Let us solve it properly. 4, is it possible? 4 ones or 4 sevens are? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Value of PQ beta.
42, sir.
42.
This is 42 meter. That is the height of
Tower.
even tower. Even tower is 42 meter. Yeah. Better do it fast. Copy.
Yes, sir.
Remember, beta, such question will be asked for the MCQ. Then there is no need of writing all this drama. In the rough paper, just you have to consider these are similar. This with this with this. Substitute the value and finish off. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. With this, I'm going to end the session. Today evening, I'll start with theorem number 2, which is related to the areas of similar triangles. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.